Hi everyone, check out these trending lace natural protective hairstyles for 2027, perfect for anyone looking for easy and low maintenance look. Here is a collection of amazing natural protective hairstyles. No complicated step, just inspiration for your next look. Which one do you like best? Comment below. These styles are trending now and perfect for busy morning and casual days. We are halfway through and there are still so many amazing lazy natural protective hairstyles coming up. Which one is your favorite so far? Comment below. I do love to know. Don't forget, these hairstyles are perfect for busy morning or everyday looks and they are trending in 2027. And that is a wrap. These were some of the best lace natural protective hairstyles trending in 2027. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the latest trending hairstyles. Stay stylish and see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.